Are you planning to study in the UK but feeling confused about how to pay your tuition and IHS fees from Nigeria? You're not alone and you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to pay your UK tuition directly to your university and how to correctly pay your IHS fee during your visa application using safe, official methods. My name is Tina, and I help Nigerians move through the student visa process with clarity and confidence. Let's get started. Paying your tuition fee. After you receive your CAS letter, that's the confirmation of acceptance for studies your UK university will send payment instructions. Most schools allow you to pay online using their official payment portals. You'll be paying in British pounds, so always check the current exchange rates, bank charges, estimated processing time for international transfers. Use official payment channels only. Your bank's international transfer service, trusted platforms like Flywire, PayPal, or Western Union, if accepted by the school. Always confirm the payment method from your school's website or admission team. Do not send money to personal accounts or agents claiming to help, even if they promise faster processing. Paying your IHS fee, the IHS, Immigration Health Surcharge, is a compulsory fee for international students. It gives you access to the UK's NHS healthcare system while studying. You'll pay the IHS fee online as part of your visa application on the UK government's official visa portal. The amount depends on the length of your course. Once paid, you receive a confirmation email or receipt. Keep that confirmation. It's required at your visa appointment and sometimes during school registration. Reminder: the IHS payments must be made before submitting your visa application. Don't use unofficial links or third parties. Pay your tuition directly to your university through their official portal. Pay your IHS fee online during your visa application. Save all confirmation receipts, both for tuition and IHS. Don't send money to personal or unofficial accounts. It's risky and may delay your visa. Now that you know the right way to pay your UK tuition and IHS fees from Nigeria, the process should feel much easier. If you need help with your student visa application or you're unsure about how to make these payments safely, we're here to support you. Again, my name is Tina, and I work with a team that guides Nigerians through the UK study visa process, from forms to payments and everything in between. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone preparing for their UK studies, and follow for more clear, practical visa guidance. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll be reading and responding.